Hi guys, it's Ryan at Brownswood Nursery and Landscape, and we're back this week to talk about adding vibrant color to your landscape. This spring with spring blooming azaleas. Popular varieties in bud and bloom right now include Purple Formosa, George Tabor, Gigi Gerbing, Mrs. Gigi Gerbing, and Southern Charm. A few tips for planting and growing. Siting azaleas in the proper location is very important for successful growth. Azaleas such as these Southern Indica varieties perform best giving morning sunlight and afternoon shade to dappled light. The azaleas we grow here at Brownswood are well adapted to our climate, and some can even thrive in full sunlight given proper irrigation. Southern azaleas can be used to fill a large space up to 6 to 8 foot tall and wide, or maintained at a smaller size of 4 to 5 foot with regular pruning. We also offer dwarf azalea varieties that grow to approximately 3 foot by 3 foot, making them perfect for compact spaces. Azaleas do prefer acidic soil and good drainage. They do not like wet feet. To give your new azaleas their best start, we recommend amending your soil with Brownswood Premium Planting Mix. This is a specially formulated mix that Brownswood Nursery developed for Charleston soils. They include both sandy and clay soils. We also recommend that you include Espoma's organic biotone starter fertilizer. This guy right here. For drainage, it's helpful to mound the planting area so that the root ball sits a few inches above the surrounding soil. And don't forget, feed your azaleas after planting this spring by following up with an application of Espoma's organic hollytone fertilizer. This guy right here. For acid-loving plants, always follow the label on both of those products. And here's a bonus tip. If you have deer, keep in mind that they are known to eat azaleas. We invite you out to our garden center to see all of the beautiful blooms that are beginning to open. One of our South Carolina certified nursery professionals will assist you in finding everything you need to create a colorful landscape this season. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.